Hello everyone, let's change display setting of our monitor. Right click on the desktop, select display settings, and this is how my setup is right now. I have two monitors and one laptop. I'll click on expand desktop, keep changes. Now you'll also see two monitors and one laptop on the display settings. You have lots of settings around there if you want to play around. There is resolution, scale, and display orientation. My one of the monitor is in portrait orientation, so I'll select 2 and I'll go all the way down where there is display orientation, and I'll change that landscape to the portrait and keep changes. Now this is how my setup is, and this is exactly how my monitor and laptop setup looks like. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.